Ready to start advertising your business on LinkedIn? Great, let me show you how. You'll do so through LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. The first step is to choose an objective. An objective is the action you want your audience to take upon seeing your ad. Selecting your objective helps show ad formats, features, and bid types that support your objective during campaign creation. Brand awareness, website visits, and lead gen are some popular objectives, but it's worth looking into all the different options to make sure your ad will be on track to achieve your goals. Next, you'll be prompted to set an audience. You can target with professional traits like job title, company name, location, and industry type, or target by professional or personal interests. You can also exclude audiences you don't want to reach. Then you'll be asked to pick your ad format or where your ad will be shown. This will differ depending on the objective you selected at the beginning. Where on LinkedIn would you like your ad to appear? Then we have the all-important budget and bid section. Set an affordable daily budget, a schedule of when you want your ad to run, and the bid type, which for beginners we recommend leaving as automated. Then you're on to the creative, which will be displayed as mockups. Once you're happy with them, the next section requires you to hand over your billing info, and after that, you're ready for launch. Of course, the more comfortable you get with this process and the closer eye you keep on those ad insights, the better. Creating LinkedIn ads is an iterative process of trial and error, so try to note down what's working, which settings need adjusting, and building off that. Your results will get better with time.